Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine.
Okay, good. Alhamdulillah. So हमने कहाँ तक पढ़ा था? जुज नंबर 20 तक पढ़ा था, ठीक है? और हमने देखा था कि इसमें कौन सी सूरह है, उसकी क्या मीनिंग है, ठीक है? What is the meaning of their surah and what Allah has mentioned in those surah, right? So आज हम पढ़ेंगे जुज नंबर 21, ठीक है? आज हम देखेंगे जुज नंबर 21 में कौन सी सूरह है और उसकी क्या मायने हैं. So before that, you tell me the जुज नंबर 20 name.
Amman khalaq.
Amman khalaq. And how many surah it has?
It has 3 surahs, Surah An-Naml, Surah Al-Qasas, Surah Ankabut.
Right. So हम देखते हैं कि इसमें कौन सी सूरह है. Let's start. This is 21 जुज और यहाँ पे कौन सी सूरह है? सूरह अनकबूत. ओके, सूरह अनकबूत यहाँ पर है. तो it was start in the 20 जुज. This is continue in the जुज नंबर 21. तो हम देखते हैं कि सूरह कहाँ पर एंड होती है. दिस सूरह एंड्स एट द रुकू 3 हियर, ठीक है? सूरह ar-Rum से
Surah Ar-Rum.
Surah ar-Rum. So Rums means Romans. Allah has tell about the Romans Empire. I will tell you. You just write about the meaning of the surah. ठीक है? Later I will tell you the story of Roman Empire. ठीक है? Of in this surah Allah has mentioned. ठीक है? So Surah ar-Rum is the Romans. Rum is Romans. Chapter number 30. Chapter number 30 of the Quran. It was revealed in Makkah. It has 60 ayat and ruku 6. Ruku 6. What Allah has mentioned? Allah has mentioned that Allah has control over everything in this world, and Allah has a creator and master of this whole universe. Allah has created everything. Whatever you see in the sky, in the universe, in the earth. Okay, Allah has created the 7 sky and the 7 earth and whatever in between. Okay, Allah is the creator and the master of the whole universe. Fine. And Allah has mentioned that one day the truth will come sure. Okay, Allah has mentioned the Tawheed, and Allah has mentioned the care of family, how you care your family, relatives, and Allah has mentioned about the justice, and Allah has mentioned about the charity in this surah, the day of judgment, resurrection. Okay, all others matter Allah has mentioned in this surah. You just mention about these things in your notebook. ठीक है? अब हम देखेंगे सूरह रूम कहाँ पर एंड्स होती है. सूरह रूम्स एंड्स हियर एट द रुकू 9, and next surah start here, Surah Luqman. Surah Luqman start from here. It's about Luqman alayhi salam. Fine. It's chapter number 31. Chapter number 31. This surah was revealed in Makkah. मक्का में नाज़िल हुई थी ये सूरह. आयत 34 है और रुकू कितना है? 4 है. ठीक है? And what Allah has mentioned? Allah has mentioned about Luqman alayhi salam, about Tawheed and Shirk. See, Allah has mentioned about the people who do Shirk. They are not obeying the messenger. They are just following whatever their forefather has said. So they are following Shirk. Okay? And the advice of Luqman alayhi salam and Quran is the book of guidance and mercy to all the people of the world. ठीक है? Quran क्या है? The straight path. Allah has sent the Quran which tell the right path. If you follow the right path, if you follow the Allah's path, right, and if you follow the messenger path, you will always be success in this world and the hereafter. Fine. The Quran is the guidance. Whenever you stuck any problem in this world, just open the Quran and you will get the solution. Allah will give you the solution of every problem, right? And all knowledge belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the others matter Allah has mentioned this surah. So you just write only these things, and in this juz, Surah Sajda and Surah Al-Ahzab, and we will read in the next class inshallah. Fine. So this is all for today. You just write in your notebook and show me.
Hello friends. Today I have written juzz number 21. It is utlu ma uhiya. It has Surah Ankabut. It ends here, and the next surah starts with Surah Ar-Rum, means the romance. It is in chapter number 30, revealed in Makkah, ayat 60 and ruku 6. Allah has controlled over everything. Allah is the creator and the master of the whole universe. One day the truth will come sure. Allah has mentioned Tawheed, care of family, relatives, justice and charity, and the day of judgment. And the others matter Allah has mentioned in the surah. And the next surah is Surah Luqman, means Luqman alayhi salam. It is in chapter number 31, revealed in Makkah, ayat 34 and ruku 4. Allah has mentioned the Tawheed, and surah tells about the people following shirk. They are only blindly following their forefathers. The advice of Luqman alayhi salam: Quran is the book of guidance and mercy for all the people. All knowledge belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay friends, you also note it and memorize with me. And the next surah in the next class. Okay? Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
A way of life, a way of life, a way of life, a way of life. Islam is a way of life, a complete way.